Namaste. Let us today see this profound life-transforming miracle of Sri Paramjyoti Bhagavati Bhagwan. I am Vishwanath from Bangalore, Karnataka. Earlier, whenever someone upset or offended me, I was immediately consumed by hurt and the urge to retaliate. Today, such reactions no longer have power over me. Hurt or anger, if they arise at all, are only momentary and leave no trace. I once avoided pain and hid behind masks, showing only what I believed others wanted to see. Now, I live authentically as I am, inside and out. I can clearly witness my thoughts, inner dialogues, and emotions without identification. There are no carryovers, judgments, guilt, or inner conflicts. Fear of the future and even fear of death have dissolved completely. Life now flows effortlessly. I live mostly in the present moment with greater patience, energy, and surrender. Things happen automatically without excessive mental interference. The divine presence of Sri Paramjyoti Bhagavati Bhagwan has become intensely real. I experience them living within me and see them in everyone and everything, earth, trees, birds, and all of existence. At times, it feels as though only Sri Amma Bhagwan exists. Compassion and gratitude have deepened profoundly. The Ananda state is ever present in all that I do. I no longer feel imprisoned by the mind. I feel free like a bird in the open sky. Relationships have transformed and I receive love and respect naturally, which I know is the reflection of these mukti states. I offer my deepest gratitude to Sri Paramjyoti Amma Bhagwan for blessing me with these sacred states of mukti that have completely transformed my life. Koti Koti Dhanyavad, Sri Paramjyoti Amma Bhagwan, forever at your divine lotus feet.